In this video we'll be discussing this set. So before moving on to this set, I'll like to tell you about something about cards. Maybe there would be few of you who do not play cards, so you don't have an idea what is a spades, what is a club. So let's have a brief about this. So this is my hearts, this is my hearts, this is my clubs, this is spades, and this is diamonds. Fine. Now there are a total of 52 cards, each of them is 13 in number, right? And what are these 13 cards? They're nothing but starting from ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. So these are the 13 cards of each type: hearts, clubs, diamonds and spades. Fine. Now let's start reading the question. It says, a game of cards is played with a normal pack of 52 cards. Each player is dealt 13 cards and values his suits separately, each counting its face value: ace, 1, jack, queen and king, 11, 12 and 13 respectively. Okay. Then the total value of the spade suit is multiplied by 4, heart by 3, diamond by 2 and club suit is counted by its face value. Okay. So what is it is trying to say? It is trying to say that the face value of ace is taken as 1, jack is taken as 11, queen is taken as 12 and king is taken as 13. Now suppose I am dealt a hand with few cards. Suppose let's say मेरे पास कुछ cards spades के हैं. Let's say I have got 3 cards of spades which are nothing but 4, 5 and 6, and let's say I've got 2 cards of hearts which are, let's say, nothing but 7 and 8, and let's say I have 1 diamond card, that is a jack, and let's say I have 1 clubs, that is, let's say, a ace. So now how is it calculated? How is your aggregate score calculated? The total of these 4 suits is then aggregated and player whose hand has the highest aggregate is the winner. So the point is, how do you calculate the aggregate? So first I'll add the spade, I'll add all the face values of each of these. So clubs में एक ही कार्ड है मेरे पास, so इसकी face value 1 है, ठीक है. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is nothing but, I can say, 15. 7 plus 8 is also 15, and jack की face value is nothing but 11. Now to calculate the aggregate score, I'll be multiplying spade by 4. Spade को मुझे 4 से multiply करना है, so spade की face value आई थी 15. 15 into 4, so I'll do 15 into 4, that is 60, plus I have to multiply similarly heart by 3, diamond by 2. So hearts का भी 15 था face value total, so I'll multiply hearts also by 3. Diamonds को 2 से multiply करना है, so face value total for diamond card is 11. So I can say nothing but 11 into 2. And clubs की मुझे as it is face value लेनी है, if you see here. And the club suit is counted by its face value. तो club का मैं ये +1 add कर दूँगा. So this is whatever this total comes out to be. This will be my aggregate score. ठीक है? So if this is clear, I'll quickly erase this. I don't need this. इसकी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. And this was just for your explanation. How do I calculate the aggregate score? So I'll quickly get rid of this. Just give me a minute. Okay, so let's say spades total face value is S, for hearts it is H, for diamonds it is D, and for clubs it is C. Fine. So my total score is calculated by nothing but, I can say, I'll write it down here, that is 4 times a spade plus 3 times hearts plus 2 times diamonds, and clubs की सिर्फ face value लेनी है, so as it is, plus C is equal to total. This is what will give me my total. Let's say this is nothing but, इसको मैं X मान लेता हूँ. Now let's start reading further. Ishita is fond of playing cards. She was recently dealt a hand with more spades than hearts. This is important. So number of spades is more than heart. Don't confuse it with this. This is the total sum of the face value of spades, hearts, but this is the number of spades is more than the number of hearts. Okay. In which no 2 cards had the same face value. Okay, so this is very important. What does that mean? She has got 13 cards, out of which few are spades, few are hearts, few are diamonds and few are clubs. But no 2 cards have the same face value, so that means she has all the cards starting from ace till एस 2 3 4 सो ऑन किंग. अब इसमें से कुछ कार्ड्स स्पेड्स होंगे, कुछ हार्ट्स होंगे, कुछ डायमंड्स होंगे, कुछ क्लब्स होंगे, बट वी डू नॉट नो कि कौन सा हार्ट है, कौन सा स्पेड है, कौन सा डायमंड है एंड विच इज क्लब्स. बट वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर, लेट्स से जितने भी स्पेड्स हैं उनका सम एस है, जितने भी हार्ट्स हैं उनकी फेस वैल्यू का सम एच है, ऑल द डायमंड कार्ड्स देयर फेस वैल्यू सम इज डी and all the clubs card their face value C. So can I say what will be S plus H plus D plus C? Nothing but the sum of first 13 natural numbers. Why? Because ace is calculated as 1, king is 13, queen is taken as 12 and jack is taken as 11. और उसके पहले 10, 9 and so on and so forth. So I can say it is nothing but the sum of first 13 natural numbers, which is nothing but 13 into 14 by 2, which comes out to be 91. So एक मेरे पास ये equation है and this is my second equation. Clear? So I'll again get rid of this. I don't need this. So इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. Okay. Now, next line. Let's read it further. It says, okay. So if the spade had been clubs, ठीक है. So I can say if the spade had been clubs. And what else? The heart spades. Okay, so the heart becomes spades. The diamond hearts and the club diamonds. Okay, so the diamond become hearts and the club becomes diamonds. So now what will happen? Now spade has become clubs. So initially when I was calculating the aggregate score, I was multiplying spades by 4. But now since it has become clubs, so clubs के लिए मुझे सिर्फ face value लेनी थी. If you remember in the original, so I can say it will be S plus. Now hearts has become spades. So initially hearts के case में we were multiplying by 3, but now since hearts has become spades, so I'll write down 4H because spade के लिए मुझे 4 से multiply करना. Remember this: spade suit is multiplied by 4, heart is multiplied by 3, diamond is multiplied by 2, and club suit is taken by its face value. Okay, so S plus 4H plus diamond becomes hearts. So if diamond has become heart, and for heart suit I was multiplying by 3, so I can say nothing but 3D, and clubs become diamond, so I can say 2C. And if this happens, her score would have been 27 more than what it was. So originally her score was X, now it has become nothing but I can say X plus 27. So I've got one more equation here. मैं इसको यहाँ clearly लिख देता हूँ. I'll just erase a few things. I'll erase this. And now I can say that I have got one more equation, that is S plus 4H plus 3D plus 2C is equal to nothing but X plus 27. Now further, if the spades, oh it has come twice, I'll just cut this out. If the spades had been diamonds, the heart clubs, the diamond spades and the club hearts. ठीक है, तो अभी नया आ गया. The new condition is spade had been diamond, so I can say nothing but if a spade had been diamond, so I'll say 2S plus the had been diamonds, the heart clubs. Okay, so the heart has become clubs, so I can say plus H, and then the diamonds become spades, so I can say 4D, and further the clubs becomes hearts, so I can say nothing but plus 3C. So if this was the condition, what had happened, my score would have been 30 less than what it was. यहाँ पे ना हर होना चाहिए, हर स्कोर वुड हैव बीन 30 लेस देन व्हाट इट वाज. सो x minus 30 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज माय थर्ड इक्वेशन, दिस इज माय फोर्थ इक्वेशन. ठीक है, नाउ मूविंग फर्दर, इट सेज द स्पेड हैड बीन हार्ट्स. सो स्पेड हैड बीन हार्ट्स, सो आई कैन से 3S प्लस द हार्ट्स डायमंड्स. सो द हार्ट हैज बिकम डायमंड, सो आई कैन से नथिंग बट प्लस 2H plus the diamond has become clubs, so I can say plus D, and the clubs become spades, so I can say plus 4C. What would it have the effect on the score? Again my आ गया यहाँ पे, her score would have been 11 less than what it was, so now in this case it will become X minus 11. Okay, now I've got 5 equations and 5 variables और मुझे solve करना है. I'll quickly write down these equations on the next page थोड़ा, so that it becomes easy for me to solve. So मैं लिख लेता हूँ सारी इक्वेशन यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज नथिंग बट 4S plus 3H plus 2D plus C is equal to X. Second is S plus 4h plus 3d plus 2c is equal to x plus 27. Third is nothing but 2s plus h plus 4d plus 3c is equal to x minus 30. And last equation is 3s plus 2h plus d plus 4c is equal to nothing but x minus 11. और एक इक्वेशन और है मेरे पास, that is nothing but s plus h plus d plus c is equal to 91. Now let's say ये 1 है, this is 2, this is 3, and this is the fourth equation, and this is the fifth one. Now take the difference of 1 and 2. What will I get? If I subtract 1 from 2 from 1, what will I get? I'll get nothing but, I can say 3s minus h plus d plus c, and this is equal to nothing but, I can say minus of 27. Now I can get this value of h plus d plus c from here, which is nothing but 91 minus s, so I'll substitute it here. So 3s minus 91 minus s is equal to minus 27. So on solving this, you will get nothing but s is equal to 60. Similarly, this is the method to quickly solve them. ठीक है, you can try other approaches also, but अगर जल्दी solve करना है, so you can use this. If I take the difference of 2 and 3, so what will I get? 4h minus h will give me 3h and minus, फिर मेरे पास एक s आएगा, 8d आएगा और एक c आएगा. And in this case I'll get nothing but x plus 27 minus x plus 30 हो जाएगा, तो मेरे पास आ जाएगा plus 57. x and x will get cancelled. So again x plus d plus c I can get from equation 5. That will be nothing but 91 minus h. So I can say 3h minus 91 minus h is equal to 57. So on solving this, you will get h is equal to nothing but 37. Similarly, if you take the difference of third and fourth, तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 4d minus d will give me 3d and minus of s plus h plus c, and this is equal to s minus 30 minus x minus 11, तो plus 11 हो जाएगा, so it will give me nothing but minus 19. And again s plus h plus c I can find it from here in terms of d, that will be nothing but 3d minus 91 minus d, and this will give me d is equal to कितना आएगा ये सॉल्व करके, लेट मी सी. सो दिस इज 4d, 91 is 72, so it will be 72 by 4 is nothing but I can say 80. So the value of d will be nothing but 80. Okay, so I've got s, I've got h, I've got d, so I can quickly find out. मेरे पास d मिल गया, मुझे h भी मिल गया. I have also got the value of s. Yeah, so I can quickly find the value of c also. कितना आ जाएगा? 18 plus 16 is 34. 37 plus 34 is nothing but 71. So I can say c will be nothing but 20. 91 minus 71 is nothing but 20 from this equation. So the value of c is equal to 20. Now I'll again move to the next page quickly. ठीक है, so what have I got so far? I've got s is equal to 16. There are 6. The sum of all the spades cards is 16. That is the face value. ठीक है, अब इसमें multiplication नहीं है. This shows what we assume to be the sum of face values. c is 20, d is 18, and h is nothing but 37. ठीक है. Now I know one thing. क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे दिया हुआ था. लेट्स गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. आई क्विकली गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. सो समवेयर इट वाज मेंशन्ड. कहाँ पे मेंशन था? हाँ, हियर इट वाज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड. वेयर इज इट गॉन? या दिस लाइन. शी वाज रिसेंटली डेल्ट अ हैंड with more spades than hearts. So that means the number of spades is more than hearts. Okay. So अब hearts की जो cards का face value का जो sum है that is 37. Let's try and see कितने minimum cards मुझे चाहिए होंगे to make it 37. If I take the top 3 cards, that is the highest face values, 13 plus 12 plus 11, कितना मिलेगा मुझे इससे? I'll still get 36. तो एक card तो मुझे और चाहिए, right? So minimum of 4 cards is needed. to make the sum to be 37. So I can say I need a minimum of 4 cards for hearts. मेरे पास 4 cards होने चाहिए, ठीक है. I'll write it with a different color so that you do not get confused between number of cards and the sum of face value. तो मैं इसको indigo blue color से लिखता हूँ. So number of cards is 4 cards for hearts. Now I know that spades is more than hearts. The number of cards of spades is more than hearts. Now for clubs to be 20, I need a minimum of 2 cards. Similarly, diamonds का sum 18 है, तो minimum 2 कार्ड तो चाहिए मुझे. 13, even if I take 13 as the largest, I can say 13 plus 5. Similarly, 20 है, तो even if I take 13, 13 plus 7. So minimum 2 cards for clubs I need and 2 for diamonds. Okay, and 4 for hearts. तो अभी spades के लिए कितने cards बच गए? 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and there was a hand that was dealt. Total number of cards were 13, so I can say 5 cards of spades. Now, in how many ways can I make the sum to be 16 using 5 cards? Let's try. चलो try करते हैं. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. So if I'm using the cards, this is 3. So if I'm using the cards 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, I can get a sum of 16. तो मैं ये हटा देता हूँ जल्दी से. I'll get rid of this. So I can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 6. These are the cards I'll use to get the sum of 16. 5 cards of a spade. ये सारे spades के 5 cards हैं जिनका sum 16 आएगा. Now, for this, I want the clubs to be 20. So what are the possibilities? क्या क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? Either I can take 13 and 7, or I can take 12 and 8, or I can take 11 and 9. There are only 3 possibilities. और कोई possibilities तो होंगी नहीं. Even if I write down all the numbers here, let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. तो जो cases हट गए which have been used already here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, I'll cut down that. Okay, so these are the cases. Now, if I'm using 13 and 7, अगर मैं 13 and 7 यहाँ पे use करता हूँ, so what are the possibilities for cards or diamonds? Diamond के लिए क्या क्या possibilities हैं? So I need a sum of 18. 13 plus 5 is not possible. 13 I've already used here. 12 plus 6 is possible. Sorry, 12 plus 8, no. I need a 12 plus 6. 6 is already used, so I cannot use 12 plus 6. Is 11 and 7 possible? No, 7 is already used. I cannot use 7. 10 and 8, yes. 10 and 8 is definitely possible. So I can say 10 comma. Just a moment. Let's say लिखता हूँ मैं. So I'll say 10 comma 8 is definitely possible. So what are the remaining numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is used. 5 is not used. Then 9 is not used. 11 is not used. And 12 is not used. So these are the 4 cards remaining. Let's see इनका sum 37 है या नहीं. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37 definitely. So this is one possible solution. Now, if I'm using 12 and 8, अगर मैं 12 और 8 use करता हूँ for clubs. This was the case when I was using 13 and 7 for clubs. Now if I'm using 12 and 8, so I need a sum of 18. So what are the possibilities? If I start with 13 and 5 possible है क्या? मैंने 5 use किया है, नहीं use किया है. So I can say 13 and 5. अब ये second case चल रहा है, ठीक है? This was the first case. This is the second case. So 13 and 5 I can use. और कोई possibility? Is there any other possibility for this? Let me see. Can I use 11 and 7? Yes, I can definitely use 11 and 7 as well. So I'll say 11 and 7 is also possible. Now, for 12 and 8, corresponding to 12 and 8, I have got 2 cases. So I'll split it from here. Corresponding to this, ये 3 cases आए थे. Corresponding to 13 7, there is only 1 case. Corresponding to 12 and 8, I have got again 2 cases. Now, if it is 13 and 5, the leftover cards are nothing but 7, 9, 10 and 11. Okay? And if it is 11 and 7, then my leftover cards are nothing but 13, 10, 5 and 9. Now, any other possibility for the sum to be 18? No. 12 already used हो चुका है, 6 भी use हो चुका है, so I cannot have any other possibility. So now I'll move to the last case, that is of 11 and 9. So I'll move to the last case. that is of 11 and 9. Now if the sum is 11 and 9 is already used, I need a sum of 18. So what are the possibilities? I can definitely use 10 and 8. 10 और 8 use कर सकता हूँ मैं if I'm going for the third case. Okay, so if I'm using 10 and 8, so what will be the leftover? Left numbers क्या बचेंगे मेरे पास? I can say I'll be left with nothing but. अच्छा और कोई possibility क्या except for 10 and 8? Yes, I can also use 13 and 5. मेरे पास एक और possibility है. So if I'm using 10 and 8, so corresponding to 11 and 9, there are again two cases I can say. So I'll split it from here. So if I'm using 10 and 8, I'm left with nothing but 5, 7, 12 and 13. इन सबका sum भी 37 होता है. And in this case I'm left with nothing but 7, 8, 10 and 12. So these are all the possibilities. 13, 7 वाले केस में एक ही possibility है, इसके केस में दो possibilities हैं, and in this case also there are total of 2 possibilities. Now let's go to the questions. Questions देखते हैं. Okay, there's one more important line here. I'll underline it. Just a moment guys, एक line मैंने miss करी हुई यहाँ पे. So where is it? Where's my marker gone? Yeah. So it says that, and if she tells the color of the king in her hand, one can easily deduce all her cards. Okay, let's see. Now if you observe, king is denoted by nothing but 13. ठीक है, king is denoted by nothing but 13. अब if she says her king is of black color, if she says her king is of black color, so 13 यहाँ पे आ रहा है black में. If you see here, this one, this is 13, and there's only one king of black color, that is of king of clubs. ये clubs लिया था ना मैंने, so king of clubs, and there's only one solution in that case, which is this entire solution. ये वाला पूरा solution. There's only one solution. So these are her 13 cards if her king is of black color. So if she tells the color of her king, if she tells it is black, then this is the only unique solution. But if she says it is red, so there are 4 possibilities. फिर तो 4 cases है, ठीक है? So you cannot give a unique answer, but you can definitely give a unique answer if she tells that her king is of black color. चलो क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. The total value of 13 card was, okay, so this is 91. ये तो पहले ही देख लिया था हमने, because no 2 card had the same face value, so it was equivalent to sum of first 13 natural numbers. So even if you find this set to be a little tricky, little lengthy, difficult, still first question could have been done. So while you are attempting your CAT exam, you will come across many sets, like मतलब 8 में से 2-3 set ऐसे होंगे जो काफी difficult होंगे, but then again there will be few questions which you can definitely attempt. So always look for such questions. Even if the set is difficult, look for 1 or 2 questions which you can easily solve. Next, which of the following is not a combination of the clubs? Okay, चलो देखते हैं. Which of the following is not a combination of the clubs? Just a moment. I'll change the marker. हाँ. So Jack and 9, Queen and 8 देखते हैं. Which of the following is not a combination of clubs? Jack and 9, Queen and 8. Clubs का combination. Okay, Jack and 9 is definitely there, Queen and 8 is also possible, and King and 7 is also possible. All the 3 are possible. So 10 and 9 is not possible, so this is the correct answer. Which of the following is the likely king? Which of the following? Clubs, hearts, spades, 1 or 3. Which of this is following is the likely king? Clubs, hearts, spades, or 1 or 3. So hearts, is there a king? Is it possible? Tell me. So if I see here, I have this club, this king of clubs, right? And she told that if she tells the color of a king, then you can deduce all the cards. So likely should be nothing but clubs. So which of the following is the likely king? I can say definitely clubs. Okay. Which of the following is not a card of the hearts? Queen, Jack, 5, 4. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. Hearts में Queen भी आ रहा है, Queen is coming, Jack is also coming, 5 is also coming. 4 cannot be, because 4 is already used as in the spades. She has got 4 of spades. So I can say the correct answer is nothing but option number D. So this was a complete set. This was a slightly lengthy and a slightly difficult set. But again, the approach is important. Okay? So you should remember the approach for such kind of sets. Okay? Thank you everybody.